period. So, during ancient days is yung central na culture nila is yung divination. Kung saan ang divination is public spaces na ginagamit for physical training. Like yung mga activities dito is running, display, mapping, and discuss. So, ito yung divination na ito. Tapos, yung tinatawag na discuss towing dito siya. So, meron siyang kabilang na object lang na tapong para nang malayo doon. So, ang tawag dito sa tinawag natin yung discuss. So, ang next is ancient Rome naman is ang kanilang physical education is marang sa amin training. So, mas nakapos sa preparing soldiers for a war. So, yung mga activity dito is running, jumping, swimming, and fighting with weapons. So, ang next activity no, naman sa physical activities siya. So, dito sa ancient Rome is marang sa military training. And na-introduce din dito during ancient period yung gymnastic, no? Na kung saan nila nakapokus ng gymnastic sa strength. Kumbaga, i-improve din dito yung health, character, and mental health. Yes. So, ang next is si Herodotus. So, ito yung so, tinatawag siya na father of sword medicine, no? And then, naniniwala siya kasi na yung disease is ano siya, yung dahilan niya is yung imbalance ng diet and physical activities. So, kaya na pinagsagan niya siya ng father sports medicine. And then, na-implementahan niya siya ni Hippocrates, no? Hippocrates is siya yung father of medicine. So, ito yung picture ni Herodotus. So, ang next is, ano ba yung role ng physical education during ancient period? So, ang physical education entertain the concept of karate, meaning excellence, mind, body, and spirit. So, sa Spartans naman is, mas kinayapasay nila yung rigorous physical, kumbaga yung ibig sabihin pala ng karate is yung striving for excellence yung i-build yung ating strength or mastering the skills. And then, yung Spartans naman is more kapag sila yung physical education for strength and military. Dito yung sa Rome and dito sa mga Athenians is dito sa Greece. More nakafocus lang sila sa para sa pros like current intellectual and moral education. In the next is, kasi tayo during medieval period. So, yung sa medieval period is, merong decline in physical education. Kasi, itong scholastic system is, method of learning and literacy during medieval period. So, implementahan sila ng early resistance, no? Kasi, sa early resistance, yung physical education is considered as pagan or hedonistic. Kumbaga, demonic siya or nabasa sa atin ng mga Christian. So, kaya sa mindset ng mga scholastic system is yung ayon sa scholastic system is nasa mindset nila na yung body natin is nag-community sa kumbaga source of the sin. Kaya nagkakaroon ng define of physical education. And pero, kahit na mayroon gano'n is, meron pa rin na tinatawag na night training, pero limited lang siya for the nights. Alam mo yung nights is na sila? Yung nights, ito yung mga nights, and meron silang mga training. So yung mga nights is mga high status warrior, no? Na kung saan lumalaban sila gamit yung sakay sa kayo. And yung mga night is trained in skills like horse riding, swordmanship, espada, archery, and boosting. And yung training nila is rigorous kasi since nagalaban sila, so yung training nila is malindi or malification. Na kung saan kasi yung gawin physical strength, ito ang combat skills. So itong mga spirits is, ito yung mga assistant ng mga night mo. So yung mga assistant nila is sinasali nila sa training or physical fitness and martial skills. And next, isa naman sa mga countries, kung yun ang tinatawag na meron tinatawag na nice temper, yung mga military. Military order siya na kung saan mga office na saan nila for training. And then, meron din during ang military, meron using tournaments. Ito yung mga laban ng mga nice wait on, nagkakaroon yung mga nice and nakasakay sa kabayan nila yung mga gamit na nakakasakaw. So, ito yung boosting tournaments. And then, meron din si British Ludwig Gan. So, thank you sa niya. So, si British Ludwig Gan is lang siya. During 19th century is para yung plastic siya. And then, sa mga German safer kung saan bukaw nila conjuring. Sabi ng conjuring is yung mga gymnastic class na nagpupulong ng mga physical fitness or mga doctor. And then, itong word ni British Ludwig Gan is isa sa mga foundations for modern gymnastic and physical education program. And then, ang next naman is Thomas Arnold. So, si Thomas Arnold is integrate na yung sport and physical training into curriculum. Kasi yung kanyang ideas is nagtutulungan yung development ng sport and physical education. Kaya nag-release kami. So, si Thomas Arnold. So, next is tayo sa modern PA. So, during modern PA is meron ng evolution of curriculum. So, and now, 20th century, yung physical education is mas nag-start na siya. And hindi lang siya mga physical fitness, meron ng rehabilitation, mental wellness, and lifestyle fitness. And then yung focus na is for on holistic approach na mga holistic is pasok na ito yung physical, mental, emotional, and spiritual. And then, yung mga activities dito sa holistic approach is like yoga, dance, and meditations. And the physical education during modern PE is provides that develop ng ating motor skills, knowledge, and behavior courses as well. So, next is, ano ba yung impact ng World War sa physical education? So, World War I and World War II. So, i-emphasize ko yung before physical fitness for mental being. So, and na-recognize din ng government dito na mahalaga yung physical population na kung saan mas ma-establish and mas ma-expand yung PE programs sa school. And yung physical education is promoted by health and the rehabilitation of modern and so, next is importance of physical education in modern era. So, ano ba ang importance ng physical education? First is promote physical health. So, yung physical education is nakakatulong sa atin na maintain yung healthy weight, prevent sa mga disease, and improves overall fitness. And it also support mental well-being. So, through physical education is na-reduce yung mga stress, anxiety, and mga depression to regular activity. And then next is enhance social skills. So, magkakaroon mas ma-develop ng ating communication skills, teamwork, and leadership sa mga groups activities. And the last is both academic performance. So, through physical education, mas may improve ating focus, cognitive function, and educational activity. So, next is mag-proceed tayo sa physical education in the Philippines. So, during pre-Spanish period, so, physical education is back to primitive society. Ibig sabihin ng primitive society is yung mga ng tao doon kung saan way of living life nila is romantic lang and farming. And then, itong Philippines is, ito yung mga indigenous people sa Philippines like yung Titos or Titas, na kung saan yung kanilang way of life is na similar sa primitive society. And inclusive thing was retrieved by physical growers and evidence of included and Maracas. So, ang Maracas is isang book na sinulat ni Pedro Montecaro, yung design of Ortiga. And then, ang book na ito is Seeking Freedom and Telephone. So, lahat sila sila sa pamukha. And then, hanggang sa makarating sila sa Tanay Island. So, ito yung manuscript format na sinulat ni Pedro Montecaro. So, ang next is nakamote. So, meron akong picture dito. Ito yung nakamote is perform sa throw motion ng skinning kamote. So, parang kasi nasa hugad. So, meron siyang picture dito. At ako ito doon nakamote. And then, ang next is panilan. Ito na yung ganiling honey propagation. Yung mabubuha ng honey sa pila. Yan yung tawag sabi na. Then next is, so, in the Philippines, no, dancing is the form of religious activity and the dance of things for God. So yung mga indigenous people is, meron silang culture na kung saan is, nagda-dance sila to live their God. And then, the dance for the Korean and rival war is termed as Kakaw. Ito yung sinasayaw nila. And then, cockfighting is a tradition for the Philippines. Marami yung cockfighting. Ano siya tawag? And then, batting and swimming were the favorite pastime. So, yung mga games na nilalaro ng Pilipino is kaya yung pabitin. Alam niyo yung pabitin? Yung pabitin ko, yung merong pinapayat yung tali, and then, ilaran mo siya tapos, pabitin ko siya. So, next is palo servo. So, ang palo servo is siya. Ginakit yung kawayan para mabuha yung ano sa taas. So, ginakatutong ng kawayan. So, tawag ito palo servo. And then, ang next is Diego de Anilo. So, ito yung meron ako rin bakit mo din ang state on one hand kasi yung different games suspended. So, ito na yung nakasunod tayo kawayan din ang hawak sa state and then dapat positive yung pagkain na nakanarin sa akin. So, ang tawag ito is Diego de Anilo. Ang next naman is Diego de Prenda. So, again, for so, ito yung people no, na nakakalikot and then, for example, is meron silang name of a trees. So, diba, hanggang mga dito na yan, so meron, kasi sa kanila, name ng favorite flowers. So, ang tawag ito is Diego de Prenda. So, ang next is, mga games played by young girls. First is, and then next is Siklod. Ang Siklod is yung Jackson. And then next is Pico. Ito ang Pico. Ano ba? May good. Pico ang tawag dito. Pico. And then is Kasong Dinig. Alam naman ang Dinig, diba? And then natulatuan. And then next is games played by the young boys. Pero, yung sipa. Yung sipa. And then, touch spinning. Ito yung touch spinning. Yung ano ba? Yung and then, kite flying. So, next is yung ang first place stage ng Filipinos is derived from Spanish scholars na tinatawag ng Corridor. So, ito yung first stage ng Filipinos. And then, in 1863, wala yung establish sa normal school for men in Manila. So, ang physical education is isa na English curriculum. Pero, merong health inspection. And then, during 1892 naman is superior normal school for women teachers in Manila na was established. And yung physical education is ongoing siya natin. And the last is parents and PE. So, ang PE na yun is more on na-adapt na yung mga societal needs. And then, more on na-address na yung health and lifestyle challenges. And yung physical education natin ngayon is meron ng education of technology. So, pwede na tayo makapanood sa mga videos or sa mga diet na meron mga online na methods. And inclusive din siya and adaptive programs and emphasis on mental health, lifestyle, and physical.